be surviving in the wilderness. It is me, Thomas, you know. So, we're gonna hunt, but we're not gonna kill anything because we're, doing a vegetarian style kind of thing. And, then, or except we might kill we're gonna kill the delicious things though. Because that's just, you can't do it without that. So, I do feel like having some yummy things though. Do we have any food? I really want a pie or chicken. Or salad with chicken. Ooh. Maybe we could have a pie. Do pies grow on trees anymore? Maybe, oh yeah. A roast turkey with cranberry sauce. Darius, what do you want? I want muffin. Darius, you know we don't have any more crumpets. Mother is tired of making you all your muffins. I'm making a video here and you're ruining it. Oh my goodness, I don't like you I never liked you anyways. But, why is your face like, why are you the way you are? Get away! Shoo! You're ruining my video! Oh my gosh, I already told you about this. Just like muffins. Let's go. Okay guys, now we're going to, let's just start. Anyways, so we're gonna be catching some wild animals like squirrels, not possums. No. Possums are disgusting. My grandma ate one. It was so yucky. But yes. And don't worry. No animals are gonna be harmed in this video. Don't worry, all you veggies, terriers. Yeah. And they might be a little bit. Oh, we can use peanut butter too. It's very yummy. My God, that little rascal. I ate it. Oh my God. Yes, no animals are gonna be harmed. Don't worry, we're only gonna trap them and then kill them quickly. That's not harmful, right? Oh my goodness. How are you? Oh. No.
You're literally so dumb.
Can you please help me open the trap, please? Pretty please. It's a squirrel. Yes. Now do it quickly.
That actually hurt so bad. I'm not even joking.
Now do it quickly.
One, don't.
I was just testing to see if it worked.
Go away, Darius.
I don't want to go away.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Okay, don't touch it.
Is it? Did you do it?
I did it. Don't do that. I'm serious.
Oh. Now myself, always today, have put the peanut butter in the trap, set the trap up like a professional hunter would do.
Actually, don't touch the trap.
Yeah, I know. I'm smart. Oh, but get too high. I don't care if you jump or not. Yeah, I did it really nicely because I'm pro hunter man of the forest. Muscular.
That's a lie.
Now we wait. I saw a mouse. I was like that. It was a big lizard, but then it wasn't a lizard. It was a mouse, and I chased, run, and I went towards it. It was so big. It was like you know how the kids say, a biggin' pounder, naughty dude. Dude, I don't know if I ever said that, but oh my gosh, I went over, I climbed over my fence, because I was like, it was like that tall, but no, it was actually this tall, but it's probably too exaggerated. And then I saw I didn't see a mouse anywhere, but there was this guy, and he's just like, oh. And then I was like, oh no, he might look at me. And then I ran back to the safety of my backyard. Well, not my backyard, my mom's backyard, but that was awesome. Oh my goodness.
How do I go there? Where is it? Where is it?
It's like in between the boards.
What?
I was like, oh, that's a big lizard.
Where is it? I'm videoing so it can be videoed. Oh, it is a mouse. It's a mouse, guys.
A mouse.
Where'd it go? I saw it somewhere.
Wait, where'd it go?
I don't know. I thought it went out here, but I think it went not out here. Well,
I am spectacular. What a real adventure. Okay, guys, my mother told me to get some eggs out of the chicken coop. The wild chickens they're not really wild, but I'm gonna forage for some eggs, and they're gonna be tasty this morning, or no, not tonight, I don't know. No, they're cornering me! They're cornering me!
do you have the eggs?
Yes. Okay, I can get out. Darius! I'm gonna kill him! Please let me out of here. I can't stand it. They're picking my toes. Help me. Oh, just unlock it. Quick. Oh my god.
Well, I'm not supposed to.
Hats off. It's going to get dirty.
I'm not supposed to interfere with the documentary.
No. I made it. You! No! Here's your eggs. My chicken! What you did?
Squirrel.
Ready? Oh my goodness.
Squirrel.
Darius, don't eat it yet.
Darius!
Okay, so this is a squirrel. I've caught it in my trap that I bought from the hardware store. And don't worry, all you vegetarians. We're not gonna cook it. We're just gonna eat it alive. Wait, no. Is that edible to eat stuff raw? Will I get the flu? What? This is gonna be tasty, alright. But we're not gonna harm it.
Yeah, poke it.
That's a squirrel, alright.
Okay, what do you have to say for yourself?
I'm true wilderness man of nature in the wilderness of trees and grass and bushes and animals and dirt too and rocks. Oh!
Okay, you better go kill that.
Are you a moron? Do you think I could do that? It will bite my fingers. One time that happened to me. I don't want to talk about it anymore to you. So you have to do it. So I don't have to talk about that stuff. About my fingers. Okay.
I want to
Kill
kill it.
But just make sure not to harm it though. Okay? But kill it.
Can I kill it?
Darius wants to kill the chihuahua.
Are you good at killing things?
Yeah.
It seems like it actually. It's kind of crazy.
Okay, no, I'm doing it. Well, better go. But he's just a little baby.
I don't think that's a baby. Babies
Okay,
do not
no.
look like that. You know what a baby looks like? Is that a human baby? What are you talking about?
Okay, I'm definitely gonna go kill it.
Yes, go. But don't harm it.
Oh yeah, I won't harm it.
Are you killing it?
Yes. Oh!
I just saw a squirrel. What?
Who is he?
Help me.
He's fine. I just pushed him down a well yesterday. He
My broccoli from me.
Okay, where's the squirrel? Wait, did you, like, butcher it yet and stuff? I need the meat to make my stew.
Well, I kind of like, after you told me to kill it without hurting it, it was just like, it made a, it ran away.
I'm disappointed in you.
Well,
I gave you one job.
what? One job?
Yeah.
I feed you. I change your diapers. I changed your sheets when you peed in your pants last night.
Don't tell them about that.
And when you locked Darius in the bathroom for 3 weeks, I had to call the fireman.
He was poking my ears with pin needles. Ah, no! No! I was poking them with paper clips. That hurt. Oh, yeah. Oh, my mistake. Well, you're fired.
I'm your sister.
No. Well, you're still fired.
I'm your mother.
What do you eat?
Yeah, she is. She is. I remember.
I'm your daughter.
Wait, you're married?
I'm just like very disappointed in you overall. You're just a weakling and nothing can be done about that. You're just gonna have to fire you. I don't know. I was thinking of starting a cooking show. To be a wild one, you must be wild. And karate's also nice. Want to know why the zebra had such big stripes? It was a big zebra. Haha. Yes. Boo. Sadly but happily, I must end this video because I have to go get my hair cut yesterday, you know. Wait. Today is yesterday, right? Or is that Wednesday? So it's February, and that's in July. Then after that comes Monday, right?